How to Change Your Reality in 3 Days. Dr. Joe Dispenza's Quantum Energy Method. Hey friends, today I want to share something truly life-changing, something that can transform not just your mindset, but your entire existence. We hear a lot about how our thoughts create reality and how emotions fuel that reality. But how does it actually work? How do we move from theory to practice? In this video, I'll show you how to start shifting your life in just 3 days using simple yet profoundly transformative principles. We'll talk about breaking free from your old self, tapping into possibilities that already exist in the quantum field, and by shifting your internal state, literally attracting a new reality. You'll learn how to become the true creator of your life, not someday in the future, but right now. If you're ready for this journey, let's begin. Because your new reality already exists. You just have to step into it. The power of belief. I want to introduce you to a belief system so powerful that it can manifest your dreams in just 3 days. Yes, you heard that right, 3 days. Your mind might whisper, this sounds too good to be true. But I challenge you with another question. What if it's possible? What if everything you've ever wanted already exists and is just waiting for you to accept it? This isn't magic. It's not a trick. It's the power you already carry within, the power of your consciousness. And my goal is to teach you how to activate it. For over 20 years, I've studied neuroscience, consciousness, epigenetics, and quantum physics, and I've witnessed miracles. People healing from incurable diseases, creating financial abundance out of thin air, attracting love when they'd lost all hope. How? They stopped living from their old story. They began thinking, feeling, and acting from the future they wanted to create. It all starts with one truth. Your thoughts create your reality. Every thought is an energetic signal. When you focus on problems, fears, or limitations, you keep ordering the same reality from the quantum field. But if you're here, you're ready for a new order, a life you consciously choose. Step 1. Visualization, but deeper. Visualizing isn't just daydreaming. It's living inside your dream before it manifests. Imagine your new reality in vivid detail. Don't just picture a new car. Hear the engine, feel the steering wheel, smell the leather. When you immerse yourself in this state repeatedly, you become a magnet for that future. The more you do it, the stronger your signal, and the faster the universe responds. Why most people fail at visualization? Some of you might think, I've tried visualizing, and it didn't work. Here's why. Visualization alone isn't enough. To make it work, you must combine it with what drives your entire biology, emotion. Thoughts are the signal you send to the universe. But emotions are the energy that powers that signal, making it strong, alive, and tangible. Think of a time you felt true happiness, love, or gratitude. Remember how it felt in your body? That's the state you must recreate when visualizing your goal. Your body must believe it's already real. The big mistake. Returning to old patterns. Most people visualize, feel good for a few minutes, then slip back into old habits, doubting, worrying, and thinking, how could this even work? And in that moment, they reset, because they've returned to their old self. Here's the key. You must live as if you've already achieved your goal. Want financial abundance? Feel gratitude for what you have now and treat money with respect. Dream of perfect health? Treat your body as if it's already healed. Desire love? Become love now. Radiate it. This isn't pretending. It's aligning your energy with the frequency where your dream already exists. You're no longer someone who wants something. You're someone who lives it. Here's the truth. You don't get what you want in life. You get what you are. The 3-day transformation. Why 3 days? Because that's roughly how long it takes for your brain to start accepting a new mindset as familiar. For these 3 days, be ruthlessly focused. Visualize first thing in the morning. Feel your goal as already achieved. Return to that feeling throughout the day, in the car, in line, anytime. Eliminate anything that contradicts your new reality. No complaints, negativity, or fear. If doubts arise, and they will, don't fight them. Gently redirect your focus back to your desired state. Yes, it'll feel hard at first. You're literally rewiring your brain, carving new neural pathways. But with each repetition, it gets easier. What if nothing happens in 3 days? Fair question. Sometimes shifts take longer. But if you fully commit to these 3 days, you will feel movement, even if small. Think of it like planting a seed. You don't dig it up to check growth. You trust the process. Your thoughts are seeds. Your emotions and actions are the water and sunlight. Keep nurturing them, and change will come. The real shift. Who you become. The greatest power of this method isn't just getting what you want. It's who you become along the way. When you think from possibility, not fear. When you focus on creation, not lack, you transform. You become more confident, alive, and magnetic, and your energy changes everything around you. Inspired action, not struggle. This isn't about sitting and waiting for miracles. Action is essential, but the right kind. Inspired action feels like flow, joyful, effortless. Forced action feels like struggle, exhausting, tense. If an action feels heavy, pause. Reconnect with your vision. The right steps will feel natural, not forced. Obstacles? Good. It means you're moving. When challenges arise, and they will, don't quit. Resistance means you're growing. Ask, what can I learn from this? How is this preparing me for my next level? Great stories aren't written without challenges. The final key, letting go. This isn't about controlling every detail. It's about trust. Your job is to clarify what you want. Feel the emotions of having it. Stay open to how it arrives. The universe often delivers in ways you'd never expect. Your mission, if you choose to accept it, for the next 3 days, hold your vision. Feel the emotions. Take inspired action. Tell a new story about your life. Be patient. Be kind to yourself. You have unlimited power to create any reality you can imagine. Dream big. Feel deeply. Act boldly. Your new reality is waiting. Are you ready to step in?